So starting a project up using CAD and Revit at the same time. First thing we're going to do to start that project is we're going to come up here to New, and we're going to pick a very good template that has a lot of your visual templates set up, your annotations, things like that. We're going to OK this. Now, just like any other project, we're going to go right away to an elevation view. We're then going to come up here to manage. We're going to manage links. We're going to add the architectural file in. So let me go get an architectural file. Say open. You're going to do the exact same steps just like we always talk about. Once you load it, you're going to come in, you're going to hit collaborate, copy monitor, select link. Then you're going to go to monitor, copy multiple, right fence, small filter, only bring over your datum elements, levels and grids, small finish, then I rotate the building. I go monitor, copy multiple one more time, and I right fence it one more time. Filter, check none. Again, just the datum elements, and hit your small finish. Once that's done, hit the big finish. Now, the architectural model is locked in. Okay, so we can get rid of both of our elevation views. Now, depending on how many levels this project is that you're starting, I like importing the DWGs in per level. Okay, so it's only going to show up in certain views when you do it this way. Insert. I'll then come over to not link a CAD file, but import a CAD file. So once you hit the import CAD, you're going to come down, find your DWG. Notice the positioning. Auto, origin to internal origin. If you use the auto, you cannot move it after the fact. So if their origin was off just a little bit, it could have problems. So what I do is I come down here and I go to manual and I go to origin. Okay. That way it'll give me the ability to move the DWG a little bit more on that level 1. I then come in here and say open, and notice how it floats with you now. And if you remember, this background is that the scope boxes for this exact building. And as you saw, it layers in very easily, and then I can start doing my drawings accordingly. Okay, and you just keep stacking them up. Now, if you know that this DWG is going to get updated a lot, then you're going to want to come over here to the link CAD. Okay, the only difference between a link CAD and import CAD is the fact that the link CAD you can just hit update that DWG, and it will update it in your project next time you open. Okay. Now, if you want to shut off some of these DWGs, the way to do that is if you go into visibility and graphics and you come here to import categories, right here is that DWG. You uncheck it, apply, OK, and it will be gone in your model. Okay. That should do it. Then you go load up your services and you start drawing. So hope this helps.